Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? It's your boy Cookie Risinda, and I'm back again with another great video from the motherland, Africa, Ghana. But before we start everything, if today is your first time watching, I welcome you on board. All you have to do is kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notification anytime when new video drops. And don't forget to share and comment. Yeah, leave your comments. So back to our roots. All those things over there, my hat has it. Yeah. You know, I went to market. Original Kontomire Amepsi. Yeah, Amepsi. Then kako. Then apem. Yeah, buddy. My mistake. It's first we are pentus. Today we are preparing one famous and nutritious food in Ghana called Amepsi, and it's being prepared with plantain and kontomire stew. This food is nutritious because the kontomire or the taro leaves has some varieties of vitamins in it. Yeah, so we went to market this morning to get our fresh ingredients for this food today, and as you can see, everything is fresh from kontomire, which is taro leaf, to the teki berries, abeduro, everything. So before you start, you need to plug the teki berries and the pepper so that you can boil them separate and grind them. Amepsi kontomire, the original kontomire stew, no, you don't need boil into the sweet. I will boil kontomire. You have spinach. That spinach need you. You spinach here. Yeah. Yeah. Man, Kusini. I'm in the moment. Mayo. So after plugging the teki berry, which is the abeduro and the pepper, you chop off the kontomire's head as well. Yeah, the taro leaves, and you wash them thoroughly. Now this thing going to go on top of fire for about 5-7 minutes. So whilst we're waiting for our ingredient to boil, we start by peeling the plantain. But I first need to add some water and wash the plantain well because it's dirty and might contain some germs. So after peeling the plantain, you need to add some water to it to prevent it from getting dry. So at this point, our taro leaf or the kontomire and the teki berries is ready, but we've added our kako, which is the salted shark, to it because it contains a lot of salt. So boiling it will reduce the amount of salt that contains. Proper way, the authentic way to do the booms. Yeah, the natural one. Say hi. So in the process, we add our tomatoes to the boiled ingredients on fire just to soften it a little bit, not that much. So just wait when the kontomire is almost done, then you add in your tomatoes. And you need to wash your sanka with the local blender. Yeah, you need to wash the local blender, then you start grinding. First take off the pepper because that was the first thing that went in, and it's very soft as well. So the pepper and the onion will go in first, and you start to grind. So this green liquid from the kontomire is something that you can't throw it away. Beneficial. And today you know that inside. This is our smoked fish, and I will be steaming it a little bit with the liquid from the kontomire. Yeah, that green liquid over there is medicinal. Okay, so we wash it, then we put them on fire. Take off the skin, you put them on fire, then you add some onions, you chop some onions on top to make that steaming aroma, to give that aroma, that taste. This year, no, my influence other young video ladies who has this. Yeah, also be a chubby, much chubby, we be a chubby. More cheap word. Your friend. Now, if we grinded our pepper, the turkey berries, which is the mudro, and the onions, we've grinded everything together. So it's about time we add in the kontomire, which is taro leaves, and that's what goes in. We add some salt to taste. This is a local salt, and so you see them to be big, okay? As you can see, after 5 minutes, our fish is being steamed. And the aroma coming out is crazy, really amazing. You can feel the local food of it. Okay, now our fish is done. We'll put on a different pan for the oil, the red oil, zomi. Yeah. After we've put in zomi, we add in some onions just to fry in a little bit. It's now time we boil the plantain because we didn't want the plantain to be ready before the stew. We want everything to set together. So we add in some salt and water to it. Then we leave it on fire for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. After 2-3 minutes of adding the onion, we add our kako, the boiled kako in it. Remember, we boiled the kako to reduce the amount of salt it contains. So we will fry the kako a bit together with the red oil. Now we will add some amount of liquid from the fish that we steam onto our stew. Yeah, the kontomire stew. This will make you feel like really, yeah, you are eating the correct abom from Africa, Ghana, the correct made, the authentic, the originally made. And as you can see, we have our fish being displayed on top of our green stew. Man, this is amazing and crazy. I can't wait. Now our oil is hot and ready. So first take off the kako from the red oil and display on top of this green green stew as well. I say soup. Yeah, mouth-watering food. Okay, so I'm really sleeping. Thanks. But in the aroma alone, mamma mia. Okay, so now we display some oil, the red oil that we fried on top of the stew and on the fish to garnish it, to give that reddish style. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the reddish style. Some onions to display as well. Man, this is amazing. You can try this weekend. Try this food this weekend. In fact, try this evening. Try this food this evening. Oh yeah, we're not done yet. We have some eggs as well, some boiled eggs, and we add that one to our stew. Now the plantain, it's okay. After 10 minutes, it's okay. And we add some cold water. We give that freshness, that beauty look of the plantain. Yeah, that's what the cold water does. This trip, you know, I'm pursuing another boom. I'm faku bianca. You make different. What's your description, uncle?
Yes, the kako.
Yeah.
Local kako.
I'm corn. Try Simon, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Wow, just look at this. Just look at this. I told you, see how beautiful the plantain looks like. Yeah, that's the power of the cold water that was added later. Wow, wow.
Mama didn't you?
I wouldn't say I didn't know we am from more than more by on your to know. Bania yedi, Mobia Yano, and Fasupa, Onyan Kakai Pamaya. Any episode would it.
Amen.
I
call the family garden. You are
yeah, locally.